Now I only cook chicken like this. Incredibly delicious. For this recipe, we will need 3 chicken breasts. Make diagonal cuts on the chicken and then on the opposite diagonal. The cuts can't go through the chicken. It should look like this. Then add salt and pepper to taste and set it aside. Now in a frying pan, put a little oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, and let it melt. Once it's melted, add the garlic and sauté. Add the 3 chicken breasts into the pan. When one side is done, turn it over to fry the other. Fry each side for about 5 minutes. Remove the chicken breasts from the pan and set aside. Add 1 more tablespoon of butter and melt it. Then add 1 chopped onion, 3 chopped garlic cloves, and sauté. Write in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can thank you all for following our videos. I'm happy to hear that you're loving our recipes. Put half a cup of water, half cup of cream cheese, 1 lemon, half cup of fine herbs, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and stir to combine. Try this chicken and sauce recipe at your home and then come back here to tell me how it turned out. I'm sure it will be delicious and everyone will love it. Finally, put the chicken in the sauce and let it cook for 10 minutes. Turn it over and cook it for another 10 minutes. And our chicken and sauce is ready. Look how delicious it is. Now all you have to do is cut a piece and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.